Wow. Hello friends. First of all, we have to do Junbi. Whenever we start anything, we have to do Junbi. Without Junbi, one taekwondoist should not start anything. Now today, again I am going to tell you some kicks which is for beginners also. When a beginner, a newcomer comes to learn taekwondo, we teach them these 4 special kicks. 3 on the face kick and 1 is on the stomach or chest kick. First of all, yes, yeah. Okay, now we are going to tell you how to kick number 1. This is, first of all, earlier we knew it as a chalgi number 1. Now it has come face kick number 1. Left kick, left shoulder. Left kick, left shoulder. Right kick, right shoulder. This thing. This is known as kick number 1. We have to make our position on the right side, balance on the right foot, front foot you can say, and back kick, which is I'm putting on the back side, left kick, going to hit. You have to catch your opponent according to his movements. This is very important in essential kicks, which can make you a winner during your championship or any time when you are doing sparring. This was number 1 kick. Now yes, now we have to move now. Kick number 1, kick number 2 full round, and kick number 3, which is known as half round. Again, kick number 1, left kick, left corner. Now we are going to kick number 2. Whenever your opponents come closer to you, you have to kick according to his movement. This. If he goes this side, if he goes that side, you have to catch him according to his movements, position. Okay, and you have to show your maneuverings also as far as your techniques. Yes, jump. Let's take a start. Now, full round kick, which comes on the jaw of your opponent. Left kick comes from the right corner, hit in the center, the jaw of your opponent, and gets down on the left corner. Now going to hit number 2, that is full round. It should be very powerful, and you have to move as per the movement of. This is number 2. Kick number 2. This is kick number 2, which is very fast and powerful, that make your opponent knock out at one go. Make sure you have to be very quick and agile. You have to be very perfect. You have to be very much balanced. Body should be very balanced. If he hits back you, so you should not go back. You have to stay there according to your power, strength and agility. Now it was number 2 kick full round, and now I'm going to tell kick number 3, which is known as half round, which is very essential kick. It makes you a perfect winner of a championship. It will give you 3 to 4 points exactly if you hit on the opponent's face. Yes, we'll make a position, half round, left corner to center. Left kick will hit left kick from right to center. Means your aim should be the face of your opponent. And this is one more thing I would like to tell you, and one more thing I would like to add. You can say, when you hit your kick, your length of your foot should be collected as per the movement of your opponent, and the reach, the kick of your that foot, I should say that length of your foot should reach up to the face of your opponent. One, kick it straight and move it. Move this toe also, which can hit on the face, nose or anywhere else, and move according to the your opponent's movement. He can go left, he can go right, move back, front, anywhere else. But you don't have to lose your concentration, I should say. Make position, kick straight. This should be straight on the face. This should be straight on the face. Remember, it's a very important kick. Okay, this is known as half round. If you are unable to hit your heel, then you can move your toes also. Wherever you are hitting, at the same place you have to move your toes also. It covers the distance of your in between you and your opponent's face. Okay, it was kick number 3, half round. Now we'll tell you number 1, one more kick, which is known as knock kick. When you knock on the door of your opponent, it should come on above the belt and on the chest, and you can hit it on the face also. It will give you point. If your opponents, after hitting this kick, if your opponent goes out of the arena, then you will get perfectly 2 to 3 points as per the decision of your referee and jury members. Got it? Now I am going to tell you kick number 4. This is known as knock kick. Stay here, make a position, be very confident, and below belt is not allowed. Below belt, kick this kick. This is known as knock kick, which comes on the stomach or on the chest of your opponent. It will push your opponent's body out of the arena, and you will get perfect 2 to 3 points. Okay, but you have to be very much balanced. Make sure your body should be very much balanced here. He will also move, he will also kick. You have to move according to his movements also. Got it? Yeah? Yes. Always remember, below belt kicks are not allowed. It will be a foul, and face punch is not allowed during the championship. If you are on the street, you can hit anywhere, anything. Got it? Thank you very much. Thank you.